Good morning everyone. Today's class I will be discussing the graphs of polynomial functions for applied maths class 11. Graphing a function in Excel spreadsheet is different from graphing in other mathematical app like GeoGebra or Desmos, because there if you instruct the app to plot the graph of this function, say y equal to 3x plus 5, it can plot. It shows that it can be continued up to any extent. But here, Excel workbook depend on the data you will provide here. Whatever range you are specifying, the graph will be obtained that portion only. When you are plotting the graph in Excel, never put the output as y equal to 3x plus 5, because Excel workbook depend on the data you are providing. So to plot the graph of this polynomial function, why this is called a function that you know, why this is polynomial that you are doing from class 9 I think. So it is the graph of polynomial and it is going to be a straight line. All of you know, we have done y equal to mx plus c form. So if you plot it manually, then you can do, but Excel based on data, it can show you the graph of y equal to 3x plus 5, and later on you can beautify the graph by using color, all the things available here, by using conditional formatting, table formatting, cell style, all these things are there. So to plot the graph of this y equal to 3x plus 5, I'll be taking x and y this manner. Suppose you are taking x here and y here. Then we can keep it in terms of a table here, that I just drag the cursor to take the values, say up to 20. But then it will copy all those things, so never do it. What you are going to do there, you first select the value of, you just select it first and then insert table format over there. So if you insert table here, then you can give different color to its different columns or same color, it depends on you. Our aim is to plot the graph of the function. So let us do it first. This is y. So what you are doing there, in first column you will be taking the values of x. Suppose I am taking from minus 10 here. I need not plot all those points here. So what I am doing it here, I am increasing it by 1. So this is minus 9. Now I will select these two together and I will drag the cursor up to 20. So it is plotting all the points I wanted to plot for the straight line. What are the corresponding values of y? How to get y equal to 3x plus 5 over there? So you take equal to, never put y. If you put y, it looks like formula. Or x, never put y and x over there. It will work on the data given in this column. This column starting with A3, all of you can see this is A, this is 3. So we are writing this is equal to, say 3x plus 5. So we write 3 star, not x. I told you the value minus 10 lies here, A3. So we will be putting A3 over there. This plus 5. Okay. Put enter over there. If you put x equal to minus 10, you can see it is going to be minus 25. So put enter. It gives us minus 25. Other values Excel will automatically calculate for you because you have provided data in the first row. So Excel will do the rest for you. You just drag the cursor up to this point. So it gives us all the values here, the values of y. Now we'll be selecting these two columns to plot. Just select it till 20 we have selected. Then you go for insert insert, you are going to plot the straight line. If you take this one, it will give us scattered diagram. Actually the diagram is scattered only because we have selected values of y for corresponding values of x. So this scattered diagram is possible, but I want to see it in the form of line. If you join them by using scale, then you will get a straight line. We want to get that straight line only. If you do this one, it gives us the straight line together with those points. If you take this one, it gives perfect straight line. Every part has some function written over there. You can go through it once. If I take this one also looks nicely. It shows points and then the line, and this one also. Okay. So I'll be taking this one. Now once this one is done, we can put the chart title over there, because when you are going to submit a project in class 11, you need to put a chart title over there. What graph you have plot, what graph you have taken over there, that you need to mention. We are plotting graph of straight line or graph of first degree polynomial. You can change the color here also. You can make it beautiful by selecting the color, all those things, font. Okay. So suppose I am selecting this color for it. You can increase the indent over there, that you can take say 18 indent. Graph of first degree polynomial you have taken, and we have taken actually first degree polynomial means it is of the form y equal to ax plus b. We have taken y equal to 3x plus 5. All of you can see that the graph for this polynomial is plotted over there together with the points we have taken there. Okay. So this is the graph of the polynomial function. You can plot it anywhere you like. You can drag the diagram and the graph is completed over there. There you can make the graph. You can remove these lines if you like. Just press on it, right click and delete. Now press on it, right click, delete. Okay. So the graph contains, just a minute, on the vertical thing we want to do, delete. Okay. Vertical thing is deleted. Here if you do it, this is also deleted. So right click on the line and then do it. But we want to see the graph in better manner. That's why we are not going to delete all those lines right now for this graph. Okay. Now style of this graph you can change, putting it over there. Many styles can be given over there for the graph. Just you take this one or this one. You can change the color also. You can change the series here. But right now up to this, all these things you can do at home. So this will help you to plot the graph of polynomial function, which is a first degree polynomial here. Let us see how to plot a second degree polynomial and then third degree polynomial, and then we'll do it for a constant polynomial, because constant polynomial will be of the form y equal to k, that you know it will represent a straight line parallel to x-axis.